Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to have such an august audience, having senior and learned professionals, IT professionals. I thank India for this opportunity to share my project. We all know about the Common Service Center project. It's a key MMP of the NEGP, and I would say the outcome of the other MMP will also route through this Common Service Center. Why I am referring this CSC in the beginning? Because the project which I am going to speak, that is the eGram project, is similar to that Common Service Center project. And I can say now is a part of that CSC project. Basically, the objective of the eGram project is to provide e-services to the rural citizen at their doorstep, and therefore with the objective to equip the Gram Panchayat, because in a Panchayati Raj institution there are 3 tiers. We know District Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat and Gram Panchayat, and the rural citizen is in the direct contact, and Gram Panchayat is the key reference point to avail the services for the rural citizen. And so the objective of the project was to equip the Gram Panchayat with the necessary ICT infrastructure, so that the constitutional mandate, that is the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment, gives us the mandate to the PRI to roll out the services or to give the services to the rural citizen. So to fulfill that, and the third objective is to bridge the digital divide between the rural and urban area. That was the key objectives of this eGram project. So I'll just speak on the implementation model of this eGram project. So for the eGram project, for the implementation, there are 5 basic components for the implementation. The first one is to provide the infrastructure. So in a first stage, we have provided the basic computer infrastructure, that is a computer, printer, UPS and VSAT based connectivity to all 13,695 village panchayats. So I repeat, so all Gram Panchayat, that is 13,695 Gram Panchayats are having a computer infrastructure with VSAT based connectivity. So first component is been taken care by this way. Second component is naturally the person we want to run that show, to run that center at the Gram Panchayat. Here also we came with the model of, which can say it's a village computer entrepreneur. So we are more percent with the VLE. We call it as a VCE, village computer entrepreneur. He is a boy or a girl from the same village, nearly 10 to 12 pass, having some basic knowledge, some very little knowledge of the computer and the entrepreneurship aptitude. So the Gram Panchayat, with the help of the block Panchayat, selects this personnel from the group of the boys and girls, and we hand over this center to run that computer center that we call it the eGram center, to roll out the various services. And this is the second component we have taken care by appointing VCE in all eGram centers. The third component is naturally the support. To serve this geographically spread across the state, such as the large setup, large eGram project, large infrastructure, naturally we need a technical and training support, not only for the project but also to provide the support to the VCE, village computer entrepreneur. He is basically a small guy in the village, so he needs a support of training and technical. So the third component, that is to provide a technical support and training services to that VCE as well as the project itself. And this functionality we have taken care by outsourcing this work. We have outsourced this work to the private companies in the field. We have HCL, CMC, CMS, NIIT, APTEC and ITI. They have deployed around 580 plus personnel in the field. They mandatorily visit every Gram Panchayat, every eGram center once in a month. He supports the VCE and monitors the upkeepment of the hardware installed over there. He gives some training and he gives the support. He gives the help him to roll out various B2s and G2s services. So this is a public-private partnership. I mean, it's a VCE model. Here we are outsourcing the functionality for giving a technical and training service. Now the fourth component for the implementation is a capacity building and awareness. So VCE is trained by the TSTSP team, but apart from VCE, we have trained all talatis. You know talati, that is a patwar in the Gram Panchayat. We have all trained all talatis and is a official, and we have also trained non-official, that is the delegates of the Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat on a large scale for the project and for the basic fundamental of the ICT. Is a 1 day or 1 or 2 days training module has been conducted across the state, and the awareness has been carried out through this capacity building and awareness program for the successful implementation of the project. And the last component that is required to roll out various B2C and G2C services from the eGram Center. So now the G2C services are being rolled out from the state level intervention. We are rolling out the revenue records from all centers. The Satbara record, you know, this revenue records is available online. It is online available through, and other services are being catered online, offline. Because VSAT-based connectivity is there, so connectivity has no issue. Electricity is there in all centers in Gujarat. So now DST portal is ready by this year, so all other G2C services will be ready to pump in for the eGram centers. And other major source of revenue for VCE is the electricity bill collection and other B2C services. We have out of 13,695, we have a 13,000 plus centers having a electricity bill collection, and GB, that is the electricity board, gives some 7 rupees per bill. So it's a source of revenue for the. So this other all normal certificates are also given from the eGram centers, and B2C services is taken care by the entrepreneurship skill and the approach of the VCE and the support of the TSTSP team. So in this way, so many B2Cs are also rolling out by eGram Center. There's IRCTC railway ticketing, merit list, online applications, LIC premium, some DTP work, and all so and so forth. So many services are being rolled out from the eGram centers. So this is the implementation model of the eGram Center. I would like to add that the connectivity parameters we have, as I said, VSAT-based connectivity is there, so internet is there. But apart from the internet, because it's a VSAT-based network having a CUG, so intranet is also there. So under this intranet, we have a 35 channels of video conferencing. So village to village video conferencing is possible, and now it is used to review the eGram centers of Panchayat by district authorities. So video conferencing is there. We have given a VoIP phone, voice over internet protocol phone, to each Gram Panchayat. So one Gram Panchayat can talk to another Gram Panchayat using this VoIP phone. And third main thing is we have a dedicated channel, 4 Mbps channel for broadcasting from the central location to all 30,000 plus locations. So through this channel, we run 24/7 channel, what we call is a Pawan channel, Panchayat Wide Area Network channel. And through this channel, we run several, we broadcast so many information related to the citizen, various services, various schemes of the different governments, what is happening in the state, what are development happening in the state. And also we are also broadcasting some cyber classes, some health related issues, some agriculture related issue, and this channel is being used for disseminating the information to the panchayats. So this is about the implementation of the project. This is just the diagrammatical representation of the eGram project. What we have is, these are the services as I mentioned. This is being rolled out by the eGram centers, this B2C services and G2C services. Even for the NREGA, that is Mahatma Gandhi, that the program we know, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program. So the data entry of that NREGA program is being done by VCE online, because connectivity is there, infrastructure is there, and VCE is getting some remuneration on the entry done. All other departments are also giving work to the VCE for their sustainability. And also we are also in the These are all these are the suggested services. We are daily we are in the touch of the land department, so that the more and more services can be rolled out from the e-gram centers, and so it's a PPP model like that, because the VC will get a revenue, government services will reach to the citizens, so citizen will be benefited, department will be benefited because he will get the report and the services goes to there, and the people, so all will be benefited under this model. So we are in the course of the increasing more and more B2C and G2C services. So ultimate aim is to Gram Panchayat to.
I hate
Gram
to interrupt
Panchayat.
you here.
Yeah.
You just have 1 minute.
Yeah, so I think.
Very good.
It is last slide. Thank you. It's a thank you slide there on the screen. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.